Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button if you want to be notified every time I drop a video. I try to do at least 2 a week. I don't have consistent days yet, so just expect twice a week. Alright, so today's wash day and I'm going to do a wash and go. I haven't done that in forever. So I kind of just want to do it just to see if it'll still turn out great. I don't know. I haven't done it in a while. So I just washed my hair, letting it dry, not dry, but get a little dry. So I can do my deep condition. Whew. She always looks crazy afterwards. So we're gonna jump right into the deep condition and I'm going to show you guys my new steamer. Yes, I purchased a new steamer. And we're going to have some fun with that today. I'm gonna steam for at least 30 minutes and I'll be back when I'm at least halfway done putting the deep conditioner on, and I'll show you guys what I'm using. I like to make sure I got my back all covered. And because my ends are really dry most times, I just take the deep conditioner and like get all over my ends. When I apply it, originally I do start at my ends, but I like to double check. Okay, and I figured since I'll be under the steamer, like I want the bottom part of my hair to get moisture as well, so I'm going to pin it up. I don't know if this will help or not, but I'm just going to pin it. My bottom is like low. So let's try it. Oh, and I want to say thank you to my new subscribers. I see y'all. Thank you. Share with your friends and we can have fun together. Okay, so I'm going to head under the steamer and you can follow me. Let's go. Yeah, I think they lied. This thing is still going. It's been way past 15 minutes. So, oh, like where's my phone? But I'm looking right at it. So, yeah. So hopefully it reaches all the way to 30 minutes and I don't have to refill it, start over, because it's past 15 minutes. So, and it's still going strong. But yeah, I will be back to do my wash and go. See you guys soon. Okay, so it did 30 minutes. Now we're going to see how my hair feels. Feels really obviously wet, but feels really soft. I don't think I can get a better feel of it after I rinse out all the product. I forgot to mention earlier, this is what I used from last time. Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Mask. And I used it last time in my last video and it's really creamy, like super thick. And this is me using it twice and I still have some left over. So I really like it. It's really thick and it gets into my hair. My hair was really soft last time. So yeah, if you want to try it, it's the Whole Blends Repairing Mask. And I'll be back to start on this wash and go. And I am back. Rinsed out hair, very soft. Okay, so to start off, or I could just do, yeah, I'm gonna use, my bottle's all jacked up, Curl and Style Milk by Shea Moisture, the coconut and hibiscus line. So I'm gonna use that to put on my hair first as like a moisturizer, and then I'm gonna add the gel. But I'm gonna put some peppermint oil on my scalp only, just to wake up my scalp and keep that moisturized. So usually I just do like random parts, have halfway down my head and rub it in. Take care of your scalp and it will take care of your hair. It will do what it's supposed to do. Now to put on my curl milk. And I never really use this unless I'm putting something on top because it's like, it looks thick, but it's kind of thin on my hair. It goes on really thin. It's creamy though. So I'm just gonna put it on. Okay, I believe that's enough. Because I did put this product on before the gel, I'm gonna have a white cast until it dries. But luckily I don't have to go anywhere. Usually I used to just put gel and water and it wouldn't have a white cast because there wasn't anything creamy under it. So now that I have this on here, it's gonna need a white cast. And now time for the fun, messy part, right? Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna use EcoStyler, Flaxseed and Castor. Black Castor and Flaxseed oil, not Black Seed Castor. Black Castor and Flaxseed oil. And I like this because it doesn't make my hair super hard. And it's a really light hold. At least I feel. It says 10, but it's a light hold on my hair at least. I'm putting on gloves because gel is really messy. Y'all, my head feels so good. It's just so tingly. Like it feels really cool right now. Like it feels so good. It's waking me up. Okay, so I'm going to section off pieces. I'm gonna do like medium size chunks. Just because I don't want to be here all day. So. Y'all, I haven't done this in so long. I'm scared. But I do want to wet it some more. I always start off with a little bit. I don't know why, because I always end up getting more, but I do. So, I always start at the ends. And I'm gonna look in my mirror. And then work your way up. Trying not to get it on the scalp, but as close to the roots as possible. At least for me, because I like my roots to be slick. And I never run my comb through when I use gel. I just kind of finger detangle. Gentle. And gel always pops on the floor, so yeah. Once you detangle it, you can start to see if you need more or not. See the length? Combed my hair earlier, but when you add this gel, it's like you never combed your hair. At least for me. And I like to rake through it like this, so. Okay, so I'm gonna come back my camera once I am on this side, and hopefully we have some good results. All right, I'll see y'all. Now I see why I don't do this anymore. This took a long time. Oof, I used to be faster at this. Okay, so I do want to put this part back because I don't like a bunch of hair in my face. So I'm gonna brush this part back and clean it up. I'm gonna use my dimming brush first to get it nice and smooth. I'm not going all the way through, I'm just kind of doing like this to smooth it. Then my regular brush. And all I'm adding is more gel on my toothbrush. No edge control. Now we'll fluff it out so it can stay defined. Okay, so this is it, and I hate how heavy my head feels, like I said. And this is why I don't do wash and goes a lot. Because my hair just always feels so heavy and ugh. Can't wait till it dries. I'm gonna let it air dry and we'll see how the final product looks. But this is how it looks when it's wet. Yeah, so alright, so I'll be back with the final product. Like I said, I'm gonna let it air dry, and throughout the day I try to just like shake my hair to move it so it doesn't dry in place, like it doesn't dry just like flat. So I shake my head throughout the day every now and then, and I'll be back. Hopefully it dries pretty fast. If not, then I'm gonna use a blow dryer, so we'll see. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Actually, it's like 4:00 p.m. But I had my hair wrapped up all day, did some cleaning, worked out, so just took a shower, and now we're gonna unwrap it. I slept like this just to kind of keep it up, and my hair was only like 95-ish% dry. So I didn't want a wet pillow. So we're just gonna shake it. Pull it, play with it, so it can get back in shape. I should put some more oil in my hands, and so I don't frizz it up. Got my olive oil. Just put a little bit on my hands. Here we go. Like no cast whatsoever. It makes me 100% dry. That's why I like that Flaxseed, Castor, Flaxseed, like castor oil or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, because there's no cast at all, and it's still really soft. split at the root and pull it out. Okay, so I brushed down my edges a little bit, and I sprayed a little bit of water on it just to kind of loosen her up. But this is how she's looking so far, and I don't know, I might change the style up later. I have no idea, but this is her so far. Just trying to get the right shape. But yeah, so thanks for joining me. Tell me what you think about the hairstyle in a comment, what changes I can make to it, what type of styles I can do with this. Like when you have an old wash and go, what do you do to freshen it up? How do you style it? So let me know in the comment section, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time.